Hi guys, thank you so much for being here one more time. My name is Cici. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Today's recipe is 4 cheese mac and cheese with filet mignon and baby bella mushrooms. It is really good. I recommend that you make it at home. You will not be disappointed. I am going to be including all the ingredients, all the time that you need to cook it, and basically everything. You're going to be seeing me chopping everything and you know, taking you step by step. I do recommend it. It is very creamy, very cheesy. So if you're lactose intolerant, please do not make it and do not eat it. So I really recommend that you watch the video and that you make it at home. If you do end up making it, please let me know. Send me a picture, send me a video, anything you want, or just let me know that you made it and how much you liked it or disliked it, you know, because not everybody likes the same things. So if you can, leave a comment, a like, and share this video. I'm going to be making more of these, and I am so excited for you to be a part of this journey with me. So thank you so much for being here and enjoy. I really hope you make it at home. Bye.